Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to lock iPhone with passcode. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on Face ID and Passcode. Then scroll down Face ID and Passcode, click on Turn Passcode On. Type in your new passcode. Click on passcode options and then choose between 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, and custom alphanumeric code. Now go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Repeat the iPhone passcode. And then hang on. Once the passcode is confirmed, then should say your iPhone passcode turned on. And when next the screen is locked, then you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode to access the home screen. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to lock iPhone with passcode. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.